Hi, welcome back to Take 5 with TWK, Tapping with Kelly. My name is Kelly and I am a certified EFT Master Practitioner. Today's issue that we're going to be tapping on is when you don't know what you want to do with your life. And Mark Twain said, find a job you enjoy doing and you will never have to work a day in your life. But what if you have no idea what that is? So how do you even begin to pursue what feels like a unicorn type career when one, you're unsure what that would be, and two, you don't even know where to start? Or what if you're consumed with hate for your current job and are blocked from realizing your soul's purpose? Or maybe you don't hate your job, but don't love it either, and the idea is something more mentally stimulating sounds appealing. Or maybe you just don't know what you want or what would make you happy. Either way, I got you covered. So in today's Take 5 session, we'll help you get back on track and heading in the right direction, which is the path leading to your soul's purpose. Okay, so we're going to go right in. And if you are new to EFT, which is Emotional Freedom Techniques, aka tapping, like a game of Simon Says, simply mimic my movements and repeat everything that I say. Okay, now sleight of hand. Even though I don't know what I want to do with my life, I choose to honor and accept how I feel. Even though I am not happy where I'm currently at and what I'm currently doing with my life, I choose to not be so hard on myself, and I allow myself to feel this way. Even though I don't know what I should be doing with my life, and what I'm currently doing isn't making me happy, I choose to love, honor, and accept how I feel. Eyebrow, you can either tap, since the body is mirrored, you can either tap with both hands or just one hand. So we're going to go to the eyebrow. I don't know what I should be doing with my life, and I feel confused. Side of the eye. I don't know what my soul's purpose is. Okay, under the eye. But I do know that what I'm currently doing and where I'm currently working is not my soul's purpose. Under the nose. I know I am not meant to be where I'm at. Chin. But I don't know where or what direction I should be going in. Okay, collarbone. I want to pursue my soul's purpose. I do know that much. Under the arm. But I feel lost and confused about what my soul's purpose is. Okay, wrists. I'm not happy where I'm at, but I don't know what would make me happy. Okay, now thumb. We're going to go where the skin meets the nail. Take 2 fingers, tap there. Either hand works. Thumb. Not knowing what I should be doing with my life. Index finger. I'm confused and unsure about the direction I should be heading in. Middle finger. Unsure about what I should be doing with my life. But I do know that what I'm currently doing isn't making me happy. We're going to skip the ring, go to the pinky, little finger. Uncertainty and confusion about what my soul's purpose is. I'm going to the gamut. This is between the little finger and the ring finger. And tap there, it's kind of tender. I don't know what my soul's purpose is. I want you to continue tapping. I want you to keep your head straight. Now close your eyes. Okay, now open your eyes. While keeping your head straight, I want you to look down hard right with your eyes only, okay? Now look down hard left. Now keeping head steady, look straight. I want you to picture a huge clock in front of you, okay? And it's floating. Again, keeping your head straight with your eyes only. I want you to look at the 12 o'clock position on this huge clock. So 12 o'clock. Okay, now go to 1 o'clock. Keep tapping. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock. And say, I'm not happy where I'm currently at, but I don't know what I should be doing. 7 o'clock. Move your eyes to 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Now strain your eyes at 11. Feel them straining, okay? Now go to 12 o'clock. Now go back to 11 o'clock. 10, 9. I'm not happy where I'm currently at. Okay, say that. Now go to 8, 7, 6. But I don't know what I should be doing. Go to 5, 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay, now look back at me. Keep tapping. I want you to hum 5 seconds of the happy birthday. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hum again. Okay, now top of head. That's my cat. I'm not happy with my current job, but I don't know what would make me happy. Okay, eyebrow. I'm not happy where I'm currently working, but I just don't want another job. I want a career that makes me happy and doesn't feel like work. Okay, side of eye. I might feel blocked from knowing what I want to do with my life, but at least I know what I'm doing isn't my soul's purpose. And that's a good enough start. Okay, under eye. There has to be something I do that makes me happy. Under the nose. But I'm drawing a blank. Chin. But I want to be open and receptive to the idea of receiving a channeled message from the universe about what I should be doing with my life. If I ask, then I shall receive. Okay, collarbone. I know there are things that make me happy, and I choose to release any blockages keeping them from my mind. Okay, under the arm. I know I am lost and confused about the direction I should be heading in, but I do know that I want to do something different with my life. Wrists. And I've taken a big step in voicing that I'm not happy in my current position or where I'm at. Okay, top of head. I should be proud of myself for admitting that I'm not happy and that I want to find a job I enjoy doing, so I will never have to work a day in my life. Okay, third round. I'm not happy and I want change. Side of eye. I choose to congratulate myself for admitting that I'm not happy where I'm at and that I want to find a job I enjoy doing, so I will never have to work a day in my life. Under eye. Because being honest about my true feelings opens up the door for positive change. Under nose. Admitting how unhappy I am and that I want to find a job I enjoy doing was a huge step, and I removed a massive blockage. Which you did. Chin. I choose to be open and receptive to the universe, sending me a clear picture of my passion in life and what career I should be pursuing. And even if you already know what you want to do, picture that, okay? Collarbone. I choose to see myself getting excited about having received that channeled message. Okay, under the arm. I feel relieved and excited that I am shown the direction I should be going in. Okay, wrists. I am open and receptive to receiving a channeled message about what I should be pursuing in life. Okay, top of head. And by removing that blockage, I have cleared the way for my soul's purpose to reveal itself to me. Okay, fourth round, eyebrow, and the last round. I can see myself receiving a clear picture of what truly makes me happy and what I should be doing with my life. Really feel yourself getting excited, because it actually is exciting. Side of the eye. I'm excited about what's to come. Okay, feel that. Under the eye. I can see myself dancing around, and I feel that happiness, and I'm smiling from ear to ear about receiving a clear picture of what I should be doing with my life. Under the nose. This is just the beginning of my new life. Chin. Even though I'm currently working someplace that doesn't make me happy, I choose to realize and remind myself that it's temporary. and that I have the power to change my current reality. Because you do. Colorado. Where I'm currently at is temporary, and I've started treading down a new path and shifting and changing my reality. And there they are. The new path I'm on started the moment I admitted I wasn't happy and wanted change. Wrists. And on this new path, my soul's purpose reveals itself, and I continue to follow those signs. Top of the head. I am open and receptive to allowing my soul's purpose and what would truly make me happy in life to reveal itself. And I know it does. Okay, now I want you to press down. And I want you to take in a deep breath and count at 6. Hold for a count of 6. And now release that breath and all doubt and uncertainty. All right, now your job is to trust in the process and to see and feel yourself laughing, jumping around, whatever it is you do when you're happy, and the fact that you received the knowledge of what it is you should be pursuing in life. So in the meantime, sit back, relax, and continue tapping. Until next time, take care.